Tempted to lie in an online dating profile? Well, you better think first about what it could cost you in a divorce, suggests the American Academy of Matrimonial Lawyers. Live at 5's family attorney Sonia Kaufman joins us now with all the details. So not a good idea if you're thinking about lying on those online dating profiles.
No, and you would question if someone's in a divorce why they're in an online dating
Exactly.
website anyway. But more and more we see people doing that, listing single when they're still married or saying no children when in fact they have children, and that's definitely something that can be used in the divorce.
It can be used. So do courts and lawyers, I guess even their soon-to-be spouse, go on websites and find these
We check it.
profiles? Really?
We do. And one of the reasons is in a property division, the court can consider fault in the breakup of the marriage in dividing property. So if someone is on a dating website saying they're single, then there may be a good indication of fault in the breakup of the marriage.
So what could happen in the split up? Could that other person get more property?
Well, the person who's lying, the court knows that they're a liar, which also affects credibility, could also get less of the property due to fault. So it's just not a good idea.
Vicious little circle.
That's right.
All right, let's get to our KFDM News Facebook page. We've got lots of questions for you. May not be exactly family law, but it does pertain to kids. Can a school make a rule that they will not allow a child to be checked out of school between, say, the hours of 2 and 2:45 when school is released? Do they have the right to tell a parent that they cannot have their child regardless of the reasoning?
I don't know the legal answer to that, but common sense would say no. I mean, a parent could have an emergency or any number of reasons to get their child a doctor's appointment. So I don't know why they would do that.
Okay, another question. How can I change my daughter's last name? Do I need to go through a lawyer or can I go about it another way?
In order to do a legal name change, you have to file a petition with the court and follow the statutory requirements to do that. I don't know if there are forms online to do that pro se without a lawyer, but she could certainly check and find out.
Okay, how can a court order a father child support and visitation, and that a father is behind in child support and still allowed to visit the children? I feel if he can't support the child, then he shouldn't be able to see or visit that child.
That's something that we hear pretty often, but the law is clear that a parent's right to visit with the child is independent of whether they've paid their child support.
Okay. How come child support can't be garnished from VA disability checks?
I don't know the answer to that. I would think the Attorney General could help with that. It may be that the government just doesn't honor an order of garnishment for that particular type payment. It may be something that simple.
How do I get in touch with Lone Star Legal Aid? I have called 9 to 10 Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for weeks. They're always busy, and this person needs to talk to them.
That's a very common problem. They are just overworked and flooded with people needing pro bono legal services. So I don't know a shortcut. Just keep trying.
Okay. Unfortunately, we are out of time, and we've got lots of other questions. We'll get to those next month. Sonia, as always, we appreciate you stopping by. And coming up, if you would like to have Sonia answer any of your questions, you can mail us at the address listed on your screen. You can fax them or you can email them at laf@kftm.com, or, of course, post those questions on our KFDM News Facebook page.